Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best House Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Fairway North Fields, and I'm looking at their two-bedroom. So we're gonna walk in. This is an open two-bedroom. It just looks like this. It's open, and I just wanted you to see just a little bit of what it looks like. So really huge space here. You could fit so much furniture, chairs, tables, breakfast tables, whatever. It's just a really big space. And then the bedrooms here are nicely separated. There's one bedroom over there. And then there's a bedroom over here. This also has a really nice breakfast table area. So you can easily have that as a breakfast table, a bar area. And then here's the kitchen. Just so much space. There's more chairs you can put under here, bar stools. And then, I mean, the kitchen is just beautiful. Look at it. Just white cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops, very nice. Appliances are pretty. And then just this huge space. There's your washer dryer area there. And then you are going to have a balcony too. So depending on where you're at, we're pretty much right across the street from the PGA. So you're going to have views either of the PGA or just right nearby. So in this case, we're just a little bit, literally about three or 400 yards or so away. Let's walk into this bedroom just so you can see it. The bedroom looks like this. It's very big. You could fit a queen, perhaps even a king in here, no problem. This is the closet. Let's see if we can get the light on this. Okay, the light's here. Yep, it's a walk-in closet. So super nice. And then inside this bedroom, okay, a bathroom, and you see this. So this is the guest bathroom, and this is what it looks like. So some good space here. So it looks like the master's over there, and it's going to have a bigger space in the bedroom and in the bath. So let's walk into that just super quick, just so you can see it. This is what it looks like here. Really nice size, huge windows, really pretty. Very pretty there. And then in this space, wow, this is very nice. So you can have dual sinks in here, huge mirrors, just greatness in here, and then a really nice size walk-in closet. This has a walk-in shower, by the way, walk-in shower that's there. And then it also has the tub that's right there. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you're ready to do a virtual tour, which is what I'd recommend, send me a text as well. I'll set that up even today for free. It'll be no cost always to you as part of our free service. That's my number below. I'm Grant, and I look forward to hearing from you.